What? What? What are we going to do? Some fish?
Yeah.
And flowers?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. That's Lightning and Marge.
Lightning
And Marge. We're going to try to feed them a nice rainbow trout that your daddy caught last night. It was delicious. So let's see what the trout looks like. Your dad left it on the hover-around seat. Now my seat smells like fish. Let's see what we got here. Oh, what's in here? What's this?
chicken.
No. That's the trout. It was so big we couldn't eat it all. So we want to try giving it to the chickens. And what do we have in here? Oh, that's the fish. Yeah. Should I pull it out? Yeah. It's kind of slimy and slippery. Shake off the I don't think they want paper towel. He was still hungry. That's the trout. Look at all the meat. Man, the guy... That's a lot of meat. Let's open up the gate. Wait a minute. I don't want them to come running out. Go ahead, open it up for me. There you go, chickens. Let's see if they eat it. They're investigating it. They're looking at it. They don't know what to do they? Well.
Not eat them. Just eat this. Chick. Chicken.
Go put it on the fish.
Okay.
Oops, didn't mean to hit your head, sorry. Put the flour on the salmon. I mean the trout. Right on it. Yeah, put it right on it.
No.
You're gonna just give it to the chickens? Okay. Put it in the food dish. Where are you gonna put it? Right there?
Put it right there.
Alright.
Put the other one.
Alright, come on out. We want to see if they eat the fish. Come on out.
No.
Yeah, we have to come out here so they eat the fish.
I want to put this in there like sleeping. That's really cute in there. Yeah.
Those are. Come on out.
No.
No? I guess we'll have to have a part 2 to this. And,
Whoa.
Reese Roo. Grampy loves you.